Alright, so I'm back from the junkyard. I was able to grab the parts I needed for the exhaust, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to put that on it. And I picked up something else, which I didn't think about it till I actually tripped over the axle. So the last videos we was talking about the axles and everything, and like some of the subscribers and Facebook subscribers said that the axles have a balanced donut. So I went and picked up 2 of those balanced donuts off of Elements, and I was wondering if it was a left and a right, you know, driver and passenger, and no, they're actually exactly 100% the same. So yes, you have to take the axle completely apart to get these off. Because I thought about it, I was like, well, maybe if I just cut it and just peel it off. No, these actually got some weight to them. So I do believe that, yeah, these are definitely needed on those axles. That's done. So let me show you the parts I have picked up, and also the parts that I made in order for this exhaust to work. So let me show you that real quick. So this is the muffler that we're going to be using. It's a Flowmaster. I think it's a Super44, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. If I just look at the numbers up, it'll tell me. This is the element part here that I took off. I had cleaned it all up and everything, and this here is the part I made. So it was a kind of a reducer. I hammered out this flange here, so it will fit perfectly fine there, and then I can weld it up. And then on this end, I hammered it in, so I reversed. So I hammered this part out, so to fit on here, because I forgot, what is that, 2.5? I think it's 2.5 or 2 inch. Oh, 3 inch, totally wrong. So that's a 3 inch, and this here is probably, it almost looks like a 1, how small it is. That's almost 2 inches, so it's not too bad. So anyway, I hammered this inward, so I kind of folded the edge in, so this will just slip down in there with a little tight fit there. And then we're going to come over here and weld it up like that. So I'm just going to have just this part here, and then later I got to figure out what we're going to do about that end. So I got everything set up. I got the welder and everything set up, and it's still cold outside right now. I think it's a little 30. A little, I think it is, but anyway, I got the welder and everything set up. So I'm gonna pull the old exhaust off first. I honestly, I didn't even want to pull it completely off, but I think I'm gonna have to, because I was able to pull it off the element at the junkyard. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it completely off, and so I can mock this one up. I got an idea where everything's supposed to go, but I wanted to at least look decent, and I want to be able to put my old exhaust back on. Yeah, just in case this one is too loud, and then it drives me crazy. All right, so let's get started.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory.
Alright, so I got that welded up. Let me just get a little closer for you guys. It'll do the job. Come on, focus. All right, it won't focus. All right, let me see. Let me manually do it. Hold on. It won't even manually focus. Jesus. Sorry, I'm using a Nokia smartphone. All right, there you go. So that's it. All right, so we need to fit it up in a car so I can clock this the right way to see which way it's gonna go. I'm not gonna weld it in the car. I'm just gonna clock it the way that it needs to go, and then I'm gonna mark it and then bring it outside the car. I got it all welded up and painted. It looks okay for a test because I'm not sure how this is gonna play out. So let's throw it on real quick and see what it sounds like.
I've been driving this train, years in this game, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change. All the strides with a play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw when I won't stop till I hear him say.
Huh. I guess it didn't need the jack stand.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on
All right, so moment of truth. We're gonna start it up and I guess see how she sounds, or hear how she sounds. Can you see how it sounds? Now you gotta hear how it sounds. All right, come on. So remember, I did not run it all the way back, so it's gonna come out about that area there. All right, so I don't know how it sounds to you guys, but it sounds pretty good. I think it will change the tone if, you know, I put more piping all the way to the back, which I thought I wasn't gonna do. I wanted to just kick it out to the side of it, but yeah, I think I wanna go all the way back. So I'm just gonna roll with it like this for maybe a day or two, and then I'll come back and put my other exhaust back on so I can order more exhaust piping to finish it all out with, and I think I'm gonna go a little bit smaller. I think I'm going to, because it's 3-inch. I think I'm gonna either go. I think I'm gonna go 2. I'm gonna go 2-inch. I'm gonna cut it 1 inch down some. I know if I go 3, it may sound even, you know, deeper, a deeper tone. I don't know. All right, let's split it in half, 2.5. That's it. Because I wanted to. The exhaust muffler is 3, 2.5. We're gonna go 2.5 all the way back. Deal? Deal. All right, so that is it. Until next time, guys. See you later.
Just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast.